Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of HRTV Podcast. I'm your host, Hyerrass Beauty, and today we're going to be talking about Skippa. So let's get into it. Skippa has been one of the most talked about names in dancehall over the past couple of years, stacking up streams, YouTube views, and chart placements. Today, we'll break down who he is, his sound, his projects, including For Granny, and the 4-pack EP, and how he's been performing on YouTube and streaming platforms. Let's get into it. Skippa is a Jamaican dancehall artist known for his energetic delivery, catchy melodies, and modern trap hall influenced sound. His music blends traditional dancehall rhythms with trap and melodic elements, making it appealing both in the streets and on digital platforms. He performs under the name Skippa, and his real name is Tajay Tafari Clark. He gained attention as part of the 2024 to 2025 breakout class of dancehall artists, consistently placing multiple songs in music charts and building momentum with frequent releases. Skippa's music is known for dynamic energy and rhythmic variation, blending dancehall and trap influences, melodic hooks that stick with listeners, and it appeals to both street audiences and digital listeners. His flow adapts fluidly to both club-ready bangers and melodic pieces, which has helped him build a diverse fan base across streaming platforms. Skippa's 9-track For Granny EP dropped on September 26, 2024. It showcased his range with tracks like Young, Content, GTS, and a collaboration with Chronic Law called Church. Young alone has accumulated over 1 million YouTube views since its release. Skippa followed up with the 4-track modern dancehall EP called 4-pack on June 6, 2025. It's a shorter project, about 9 minutes total, but it made a massive chart impact in Jamaica. The songs on 4-pack include J.R. Gong, No Budget, HBC, and Traffic. All 4 songs climbed high on Apple Music Jamaica's top 25 charts, with J.R. Gong, No Budget, and HBC simultaneously holding multiple spots in the top 5 shortly after release. That kind of chart domination speaks to Skippa's consistency and hype level at that stage of his career. So tell me, what is your favorite track by Skippa, and when did you first hear a song by him? Leave a comment and let us know. Skippa's music has been a constant presence on Jamaica's digital charts and YouTube trends. WYFL released November 25th, 2025. This track has around 2.5 million views on YouTube and spent several weeks in the top 40 Jamaica music chart. J.R. Gong hit number 1 on the YouTube Jamaica weekly chart shortly after release. During October 2025, multiple Skippa songs were in the top 10 of YouTube Jamaica, including 10 Past 2, Currency, Go, and Evil. According to year-end data, Skippa was among the top 3 most viewed dancehall artists on YouTube in 2025, with 79.9 million views across his catalog for the period of December 28, 2024 to December 28th, 2025. That places him alongside massive names like Chronic Law and Vibes Cartel in terms of total engagement, a serious achievement for a rising artist. Skippa's journey is a textbook example of how dancehall artists can build momentum through digital platforms, YouTube, Apple Music, and streaming charts, while staying true to heavy rhythms and energetic delivery. From a breakout 2024 with 4Granny to the 4-pack takeover in 2025 and millions of YouTube views in between, Skippa's star has been on the rise. The next question is, what's coming next? More hits? Bigger collaborations? International crossover? We'll be watching, and you'll hear it here first on HRTV Podcast. Once again, I'm your host, Hyerrass Beauty, and if you like this episode or you'd like to hear stories about dancehall and reggae, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.